Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to ax plus 3. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. And we have a dx. Next we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. dx we change by this one. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have u to the power of 6 over 6. And then I will put about c. Number 8 and number 6 we have 48. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.